So the undertaking of the evening is transferring firewood and about 5 roosters over to the farm. The firewood because this needs to be moved, and the roosters because they're getting annoying in a neighborhood full of people. So yeah, that's the undertaking of the evening. And it was just mentioned to me that this is a daytime activity coupled with a nighttime activity of moving the birds, especially roosters, because I don't want to chase them down. I gotta move them at night. So, trying to kill 2 birds with 1 stone, or 1 log. Yes. Alright, so I don't know if you can see this. If you can see me, I got the roosters all loaded up. Got some firewood loaded up. I got a whole trailer load of firewood, just chunky stuff loaded up. And these guys are going out to the farm because we're tired of hearing them in the morning. I don't want to make the neighbors mad, so these 5 roosters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yep. These guys are going out to the farm. Yeah. You're gonna have fun on the farm. What do you think? It was nice enough of my neighbor to lend me his puppy cage. So we'll see how these guys fare riding out there. Alrighty, we'll see you out there. Well, here they are at the new farm. Got them here all safe and sound. They may be a little car sick, but they are here and they are alive without too much of a mess. This guy looks a little sick. Anyway, this will be their new home, right here. Already, as I pull in here, I see an opossum walking off into the woods, which makes me a little leery of leaving the roosters out. But they asked for it, and here they are. So, we are going to take them out and let them go free.